can't fucking do that shit.
I like it, man. I like it. Okay. Hey, Wes, can you walk Fresh how he'd have to produce his paperwork? LOL, we talked about that. Kendall goes, take care of your life force and much love to FNF. Appreciate that. Michael Rojas goes, I appreciate you guys bringing us value and teaching us how to make money. I started working for myself and I'm making more money with less stress / more time. I'm happier now than I was 6 months ago. That's
Good
what
job,
we're talking
bro.
about. I've been preaching and teaching y'all that. This man is hilarious. Zerka in 20 years. Okay. Arturo Garcia goes, been watching you since the park bench. West smashing and burpee since I saw you. Much love to Myron and Fresh, the Tate brothers, Jay Waller and Sneeko. Thank you, my friend.
Talk to you, bro.
JT goes, thank you, FreshFit, for what you do. You and the Tates have inspired me to focus on self-improvement. Been in the gym now for a month and working on a side hustle. Shout out to the gym bro AR. Yep, absolutely. Think about this. Hot dog goes, salute FNF and WW, Wes Watson. And then we got Border Patrol goes, if you want your drugs back, come by to the border. We don't want it anymore. Okay. And then Billy Pashas goes, hi, please guide me in the last semester of college working part for government as a programmer. They're going to hire me at $60K end of semester. I can probably find a $100K a job in 2 years. How do I make millions, though? I don't see the path. You got to get a skill, my friend, and work for yourself.
You need a fucking skill set. Everybody's like, they'll come through my funnel, even from my website, and be like, how do I have a life like yours? I'm like, well, what's your skill set? What do you got to teach?
Yeah.
What can you do? Motherfuckers, like, honestly, become undeniable in your field. Pick a field, pick an area, and just say, I'm going to be the best at this. The best person in every area gets paid millions. I'm the fucking best at what I do. If a motherfucker comes to me and he wants to build his brand online and he actually has something of skill, I can teach him how to make millions really fucking easy. But I mean, millions as having an online brand is the lowest of the shit. Like 2 million a year,